Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to edit kiss video AI in Remini. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating AI generated kissing videos using the Remini app is a fun way to bring your photos to life. To do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Remini app, and then once inside, be sure to be logged into your account using your Google, Apple ID or email. Now once you're inside your home screen, you'll be seeing an option that says AI video on the bottom of the screen. All you gotta do is just simply tap on that. Now here, once you're inside, scroll down and browse through the available templates and select the kissing template. Now once you have selected it, this template allows you to create videos where subject appears to kiss, and now all you gotta do is choose clear front-facing photos of the individuals you want to feature in the video. Ensure the photos are well lit and high quality for optimal results. After selecting the photos, tap on generate or create. The AI will process the images and create a short video simulating a kissing scene. Once the video is generated, preview it to ensure it meets your expectations, then tap on save to download the video to your device. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.